am Beth Cantz. I am a nurse manager at Einstein, Philadelphia. When we entered into nursing, nobody imagined that we would be working through a pandemic. It was during that time that my oldest was in an essay writing contest, and it was for school, and she had to write about what inspires us. And she wrote about her mom being a nurse and working during COVID. And that gave me the strength to keep going on. It gave me the strength to put on those shoes every day. It gave me the strength to come home and jump in the shower before I could hug my kids. It gave me strength to stand side by side with those nurses, not as a manager, but as a nurse myself. That's what inspired me to keep going, is knowing those little eyes looked at me as inspiration and were proud of me and what I was doing. I think through this pandemic, a lot of us have really had to self-reflect and decide if what we were doing in our nursing career is what was meant for us. You have some days that aren't great. You have some days that are tiring, but at the end of the day, you held a life in your hands. And now when you go home and you put your head on that pillow at the end of the day, you're the reason why that patient is still alive. It's the most rewarding profession. I believe that I grew as a person being a nurse. I grew in my compassion. I hate to go back on it, but when you look at those teams that survived and worked through COVID, those teams are stronger because of it.